Hey, my name is DJ. Welcome back to the channel. Is this your first time rocking with me? Appreciate it. If you've been a long time watcher, I deeply appreciate that. Please like, please subscribe. Today we'll be doing the cabin air filter of the 2014 Audi A6 3.0 Prestige Quattro, basically the C7. So I believe the C7 is 2012 all the way up to like 2017 or 18, like that. It's the C7 chassis. I'm using Wix for the air filter too. This is my first time going with them. I know that their cabin air filters are really good, so I really wanted to go with their cabin air filters and their oil filters. And so I wanted to go with their cabin air filters just to see. It was a toss-up between Fram and this. Today, the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm basically doing a dealer-like service. I got my oil change at Jiffy Lube, and they use the oil extractor. Awesome. I'm going to buy me an oil extractor down the road so I can do it myself. Then they also, I use Arms oil, and I use Wix air filter. Then I just did the cabin air filter, the engine air filter through Wix. And now I'm doing the Wix cabin air filter. So here we go. So there are three notches. So there's one right there, there's one right here, and you literally twist, throw that right there, and you literally twist, throw that right there. And this is a foam piece, so you literally slide it like that, take this foam piece, put it to the side. There's a little tab. You pull it just like that. And you pull this straight down. Just like this. And once you pull it down, pay attention to the direction. And as you see, original Audi part. And they use, like Audi uses, man filters. So I'm gonna take this one out the box. All right, so this really just go one way. So which is really cool. I'm glad that the Germans designed it like this, because sometimes you don't know which direction, and then they got to point the arrow, but Wix still told you, which direction to go. But it's pretty self-similar because you can't turn it this way, and the only way you can turn it is this way. So we're gonna go right back in that spot. We're gonna take the old one out, put the old one in the box. We're gonna go right back in that spot. Try to line it up accordingly. Give me 1 second. All right, so you wanna just line it up and then push this side up, and then just keep, and then push this side, just keep going, and voila. And you're gonna keep pushing until the tab, and you just want to fold that tab. So just like this, you just want to fold that tab like that, for real, and slightly have the tab sticking out so you could easily get it, but then you could just push it back when it's that time. So once it's like that, make sure it's nice and in there. You take this, and it goes this way, all right? So you're gonna slide this side in first, and then you're gonna push till you hear a click. There it is. Keep going like that, and voila. That's it for that. Then you take this, hang on. All right, so to put this on, you put it this way, all right? So you slide this over here, tuck that right there, find this hole right here, just like that, and you want to start with that hole right here, just like that. You twist that in, and when you do it, this is when you want to start. After you do this first one, this is when you tuck it in. And you want to do this one at the far end too. And straighten it out. Take this one back out. Stretch it a little bit. Just make sure it's past that hole, and then tuck that in. Just like that. You want to pull it down just a little bit. Just make sure that it's nice and even, nice and flush. And voila. All right, so you take your third one, slide it in that hole right there, twist it in. The Germans made this real simple and easy. And then bam. And then you just want to pull. When I do this, I would like to just tuck it in, make sure that it's nice and flush. Pull it down with my finger a little bit, just to make sure that everything is back to on me type of level. Perfect. Just like that, guys. All right, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Real easy, real simple. Peace.